Today we will find HCF of 12 and 18 by common division method or ladder method. Let us follow the below steps to solve the problem. Try dividing 12 and 18 by the smallest prime 2. Since 2 divides both the integers 12 and 18 exactly, we get 6 and 9. Again, try dividing 6 and 9 by the smallest prime 2. Since 2 does not divide both integers 6 and 9 exactly, we move to the next smallest prime 3. Since 3 divides both integers 6 and 9 exactly, we get 2 and 3. As per step 2, we should stop here since no other prime number can divide both 2 and 3 simultaneously. Got it? Step 3. Multiply all the common prime divisors. In this case, the common prime divisors are 2 and 3. Therefore, HCF of 12 and 18 equals product of the common prime divisors. In this case, it is 2 multiplied by 3 gives you 6. Got it? Thank you for watching. For more details on HCF, please subscribe to my channel and watch the below playlist. Thank you.